Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3 like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4 subscribe. All right. Why does inductive reasoning important in mathematics? And this is for week 5. No? This is for week 5 already, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. And it, I have here, mathematics is not just about numbers. Much of it is problem solving and reasoning. Okay, so let us draw the next shape. What do you think is the next shape? Okay, here, um, so we have here, we started from the single dot, then it added 4 dots. So from 1, it becomes 2, and then it becomes 9, and it becomes 16, because 4 times 4 is 16, okay? So what do you think is the next shape? So this time we are going to add a 5 dots, okay? So it should be 5 by 5, no? So it's hard to draw dots here, but assuming these are dots, okay, let's do it 5. It's 5 by 5, okay? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So 5 times 5, that will become 55. 25. So uh, this shape is still rectangular, okay? Rectangular figure. So and that has two patterns, okay? So let's see. Inductive reasoning, in answering the previous activity that we had, we use inductive reasoning. And the inductive reasoning is a type of reasoning that chooses to reach a conclusion. Okay? In other words, inductive reasoning is a process of observing data, recognizing patterns, and making generalizations from the observation. Okay? Now, geometry is rooted in inductive reasoning. The ancient geometry, or the geometry of the ancient times, was collection of procedures and measurements that give answers to practical problems. Those procedures and measurements were generated over a long period of time as a result of experiences and observation. Okay? They were used to calculate land areas, build canals, and build pyramids. Most scientific inquiry begins with inductive reasoning. When mathematicians use inductive reasoning to make a generalization, generalization is called conjecture. Now, for example, a student in science class takes a pinch of salt turns it to burning candle and observe it burns with a yellow flame. He or she does this with many other pieces of salt, finding they all burn with yellow flame. The students therefore make the conjecture that all salts burns with a yellow flame. Okay, let's try some example here. So using inductive reasoning, so let's find out the next two terms of its sequence. So describe how you find its term. So for here, we have 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Then 8 minus 4 is 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now, what do you think is the next? No? What difference do we looking for in the next? So this is 8, then 8 plus 8 should be 16. So if we are going to add, and then 16, we have 32. So if we're going to add 16 plus 16, that's 32. Then 32 plus 32 is 64. Okay, so that is how we deal with pattern. Okay, next we have here 50 minus 1 is 50 minus 49 is 1. 49 minus 46 uh, is 3. Then 46 minus 41, that's 5. Okay, 41 minus 34, I think it's 7. So the next common difference must be 9 and okay, it must be 9 and 11. So we are need to add 9 plus 34, 34, 36, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 43 because 34 plus 9 is 43, and then we add 11 to 43. So 43 plus 11 is equals to 54. Okay, 54. That means so we have we get already the two next terms, no, or the next two terms by finding the patterns using inductive reasoning. Okay, so when you go to your what do you call this one sequence, you can use the same logic. That is inductive reasoning. Okay, next. Use inductive reasoning to find the next two terms. Also, we have here, we need to find the next two terms of its sequence, describe how found the terms. Okay, here, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1, 2 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, diba? And then 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So that means the next is 7 because 7 minus 2 is 2. And then the next is 3. No, it should be 3. So that means we have 10. Okay, why? Why it becomes 10? Because the next two should be 3. No? 3 plus 7 is 10. That's it. Okay, next we have 11 minus 1 is 10. Then 22 minus 11 is 11. 34 minus 22 is 12. Possible. We have 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12. Next, we have 47. 47 minus 34. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And then 4 minus 1, 13. Next, we add 13 to 47. What do you think is the next two term? So we have 10. 0, carry 1. We have 1 plus 4, that is 60. Then 60 minus 47, of course, Uh, that would be 60 minus 47, 13. So, okay, next. So, from 13, we need to add 14. So, 60 minus plus 14 is 74. 74 is the next term. Okay, that's it. Next. Now, you have here another example. Okay. Let's study each number patterns and state your findings by completing its conjuncture. So here we know that 12 plus 28 is 40 or equals 40. Negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8. 10 plus 30 is 20. 0 plus 20 is 22. 18 plus 16 is 34. And 8 plus 38 is 46. So therefore, the sum of So all the partners here are odd numbers, and their sum is also odd numbers. So we could say that the sum, sorry, it's not odd but even, no? Even, okay. So these are even numbers. The sum of even numbers is, or even numbers. So we have the conclusion or the conjecture that the sum of an even number is an even number, is an even number, or even numbers is an even number, okay? All right, let's try this. Study its a number pattern, then state your finding by completing its conjecture. So if we have here, 4 times 5 is 20, 9 times 8 is 72, 11 times 6 is 66, negative 12 times negative 3 is 36, negative 8 times 8 is negative 40, negative 4 times 4 is negative 634. Now, what conjecture can you get? Okay, so sometimes not all conjecture is positive. So find out your answer to this question. All right. Okay, so for your assignment, okay, you can pause this video and find the inductive reasoning to use inductive reasoning to find the next two terms of its sequence. All right, same here. Okay, for questions and clarifications, please leave your comment below at the comment section. And remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Bye, everyone. Make a little shout out to all the members. And guys, please continue supporting this channel. Okay, bye.